Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith, Chapter 17, Shloka 26 and 27. The word Sat is used in the sense of reality and of goodness. And also, O Parth, the word Sat is used in the sense of an auspicious act.
Chapter 17, Shloka 26. Sadbhave sadhubhave cha sadidyetat prayujyate prashaste karmani tatha satchabdha partayujyate.
Steadfastness in sacrifice, austerity, and gift is also called Sat, and also action in connection with these for the sake of the Supreme is called Sat.
Chapter 17, Shloka 27. Yajne tapasi dane cha sthiti saditi chochyate karma chaiva tadartiyam sadityeva vidhiyate.
Chapter 17, Shloka 26 and 27. What is the significance of repeating Sat? What are its implications are described. Sat is used to mean both reality and goodness. It is also used for auspicious acts in our transactions in the relative reality while experiencing the world through the body, mind, and intellect equipments. We forget and mistake it to be the absolute reality. Therefore, by uttering Sat, we remind ourselves that the relative realities in which we live have the same substratum Sat, the absolute reality. Shloka 27. The use of the designation Sat for Brahman is described. There are three aspects of activity: the activity, the principles underlying the activity, and man's faith in the principles. The term Sat is used to indicate man's faith and devotion in sacrifice, austerity, and gift. Thus, Sat registers our faith in the principles underlying yagna, dan, and tapas, and also in his various acts of sacrifice, yagna, charity, dana, and austerity, tapas. Even acts of sacrifice and austerity, when they are not of the sattvic type, can be rendered good when they are pursued with this inner attunement, which is gained by invoking in the performer's bosom the concept of the Supreme Om, the universal Tat, and the real Sat, the infinite Brahman. If these chantings are undertaken with faith and sincerity, the seeker's mind expands and gives up all its selfishness and arrogance, unlike the ego and egocentric desire prompted activities which bring about attachments to destroy the freedom of the individual to grow, to discover the self. This intelligent right adjustment in our mental attitude should be maintained when we are at work by the remembrance of the infinite reality as indicated by the three terms Om Tat Sat, because actions can leave behind only such reactions as are ordered by the type of motives and attitudes of the performer. Learn more in the next sloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.